Start the application by typing digital-ink.app in the address bar of your browser and log in. You now land on the dashboard where you can find all your writing projects. In your user preferences, you can choose the language of the application and configure the autosave function. From the dashboard, you can access your ideas book and text fragments. You capture new ideas in the ideas book. You can also add an image to be used as a cover photo in the idea book for quick recognition. You can also develop an idea in more depth. You can describe story elements that are important to the story, such as characters, groups, locations, events, and things. Let's add a character. Complete the template. You will want to fill in more for important characters than for others. You can add an image to each story element. After saving, you can consult your character in reading mode. With the back arrow, you return to the list of characters. Use the cross to slide the side panel closed. You can develop your story in more detail in the plot or synopsis fields. Or, you can use the plot designer tool. This allows you to develop multiple storylines using plot cards. You create a new storyline by double-clicking in the top part of the plot board. A storyline template slides out for you to fill in. Create a plot card by double-clicking on the desired location. A plot card template slides out for you to fill in. You can drag a storyline to another column. And you can drag a plot card within the storyline, or from one storyline to another. You can close the template on the left with the cross, or you can slide it open by clicking on a card in the plot designer. Exit the plot designer to return to your idea. Click on the link when your idea is sufficiently developed and you want to start writing. Choose the language in which you will write this story. This can help you with spell checking and such. Choose short story or novel. The novel has chapters and scenes, the short story only scenes. All information from the idea has been transferred to the writing project. Both the plot board and all the story elements. For a novel, the first chapter is automatically created. A chapter has a title and notes, but does not contain any story text itself. You write story text in a scene. A scene can also contain notes. You can insert a scene before or after the current scene using the plus button. The application counts all the words in a scene and shows the sum per chapter plus a total for the entire manuscript. You add a new chapter from an existing chapter. You can add a chapter before or after the selected chapter. The first version of my story is finished. In the structure overview of the manuscript, I can change the order of chapters and scenes by dragging and dropping them on the new location. You can export your manuscript to a Word document at any time. Click on the Project Options menu next to the name of your project and choose Export, and then Manuscript. Open the downloaded file. The manuscript is now in a Word document and can be shared with the rest of the world. I hope you're excited and want to try out Digital Ink for yourself. Then quickly create an account and start your trial. Have fun!